Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson Prissy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually download and install CapCut, the old version of CapCut. How to download and install the old version of CapCut in your device. So if you don't know how to do that, sit tight and watch this video to the very end. If this is your first time visiting this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell in order for you to stay with us on the channel. Without wasting most of your time, let's quickly dive right into the video. All you need to do is to go to your browser and search for up to down. So here is the up to down. All you need to do is to go to your browser and search for up to down. So here I'm going to be selecting CapCut. Here I'm going to be clicking on oldest version. You can see it right here on the screen. Oldest version, I'm going to slow down so I get to 3 point. I'm going to be clicking on. So yeah, I'm going to be clicking on 13.9.0. That one is a good one. So I'm going to be selecting that one here and scroll down. Yeah, I'm going to be clicking on download right here. Down again. So I'm going to wait for it to download. So once it's done downloading, all I need to do is to go back and delete my other CapCut, the one I've been using before. So that is it on how to download the installed version of CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you guys in the next one. Bye.